Before the surgery, I was in pain all day long, all the time. If I sat, I was in pain. If I stood up, I was in pain. If I walked, lay down, no matter what I did, I was in pain. If you can imagine, it was like having knives going right through your hips all the time. I had bilateral hip replacement in December. I'm a walker. I love walking, and I've done marathons walking. And that was one of the things that I came to a point that I couldn't do more than, from here to the corner. It's like, I can't do this. And I was hunching, curving myself and like penguin walk, and it's like, oh God, I'm old, but I'm too young to do that yet. So I didn't want to look like that. I didn't want to feel like that anymore. I went in and I met with Dr. Campbell, and he did the x-rays, and he looked and said, you're gonna have surgery. And then he showed me what my hips look like and everything, and it was like, I'm ready. I can't take this anymore. You walk in and you can see everybody. You're like, I want to see Shiva, I want to see this one, I want to see the doctor, or I want to go to the therapist. So everyone is there, and they communicate with each other. Sometimes you need that. They have been amazing, all of them, all of them. I'm so happy that I had it done. I have absolutely no pain in my hips. I can sit, I can walk. I am walking now almost 2 miles. I go up and down the stairs like 5 times a day. If someone asked me if they should get orthopedic surgery, I would say, go ahead and do it right away. No sense in being in pain if you can be without pain.